Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play EFootball Mobile. First, let's dive into the controls. You have two main options: Classic, which uses a virtual joystick and buttons, or Advanced, where you tap and swipe the screen for actions. I recommend trying both to see what feels most comfortable for you. Spend some time in the training mode to get a feel for basic movement, passing, and shooting before jumping into matches. This foundational practice is crucial for success. Now, let's talk about offense. To create scoring chances, use through balls to send your attackers into space behind the defense. Combine this with quick 1-2 passes to bypass opponents and open up the field. Practice different shot types, like curled shots for accuracy or chip shots over the goalkeeper. Effective dribbling, using quick changes of direction, will help you beat defenders and keep possession, setting up those crucial goal-scoring moments. Defense is just as vital as offense. When defending, actively press your opponents to force errors and win the ball back swiftly. Employ matchup defense to stick close to dribblers and limit their options. Remember to manually switch players to cover open spaces and intercept passes. When under pressure, don't hesitate to clear the ball out of danger, preventing any immediate counterattacks and giving your team time to regroup. Finally, let's look at advanced play and team management. Pay attention to player form, as it significantly impacts their in-game performance. Build a balanced squad with diverse player roles to cover all positions effectively. Experiment with different manager tactics to find a system that complements your preferred playstyle. Don't forget to practice set pieces, such as free kicks and corners, as they can be excellent opportunities to score crucial goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.